So Reddit is not also a safe place. So I know how many people have clicked on this link or have maybe clicked on so many other links in a bid to either make money or do something. So let me just explain this scenario to you. So I was just going on Reddit, and this is a Reddit sub where I'm a part of, and I saw this how I this person says how he randomly makes money. I think $2,200 per month, and then he was talking about how you make videos. You don't even need to stress yourself. All you need to do is download videos people have already made. And then it first started by saying the first step is to download CapCut. And so someone that does not know about this would want to click on this link. So if you can see this, the bottom part shows a link which does not go to CapCut. So immediately you would think, yeah, it's an affiliate link, which the person did not mention, but that's not the problem here. When I investigated, I saw that this link was a bit malicious. So let's look at what we found. So if you can see this, when using VirusTotal, the link immediately gets flagged by three anti-malware vendors. So I felt like, okay, let's see where it takes me to. So on clicking it, it took me to this other link, which you can see on the URL, and it told me to take I mean, this to verify that I'm not a robot or so. And again, please take note that whatever I'm doing here was in a controlled environment. So whatever malware, whatever happens, it doesn't get to my host computer. So I was just checking a lot of things to see where this leads to. So yeah, I had to complete this. So let me zoom in a bit. So yeah, I have to click on I have to click on the cards that are facing me. Uh, okay, and yeah, so it verified me. And then where does it lead me next? So imagine we are expecting to click on a CapCut link, and then hopefully it takes us to CapCut where we can download CapCut. But if you can see here, this is taking us to Surveil. I don't know how it's pronounced, but um, apparently it's supposed to someone that wants to make money or someone that landed on that post is interested in making some money. And so on landing to this page, you'd be like, oh wow, so I can make money from this survey or from carrying out surveys. Okay, so let me first show you where this second link goes to, or what it leads to. I mean the link after it redirects from the first link. So we would see how many hits it gets from the different anti-malware vendors. I think it was around 13 hits or 50, yeah, 15 hits. So you can see this is immediately showing that this has been used for phishing and several other purposes. Again, I didn't do a full website scan to see if there's any malware or what's happening. So I didn't do any of those investigation. I'm just doing what we can see at the front end and all. So as you can see, it's been flagged. So we'll just continue. If you check more details, you would see that there are lots of redirections. Yeah, so it redirects to this string link here. Now let's go back to our survey, and you can see earn up to 11,000 naira per survey, which is interesting. So I'm in Nigeria, that's why it's showing me in naira. So I'm sure wherever you are, whatever country, it automatically picks your location, maybe, and you would be interested to sign up. Okay, and so I clicked on sign up, and I have to put in my information. So take note that because this could possibly be phishing, so I'm not sure how legitimate Surveru is because like I've not made in-depth research on how legit it is. it might be legit, it might not be legit, but from what I'm seeing here, this is an avenue for gathering people's information, which could be used for phishing in the long run. So they want your email, they want your name, they want your password. Even though this site has HTTPS, which means there's a possibility that the passwords are not in plain text, but there's still a possibility that they can access your password, I mean, from the database and all those other stuff. So that's the owners, the people that created it, the owners of the servers and all. So let's click on continue and let's see what it takes us to. Yeah, so it says by joining this, blah, blah, blah. I say, okay, let me agree. And on clicking that, it's loading up my dashboard. So yes, a red flag. You didn't tell me to verify my email. So maybe they sent an email because I used a fake email, but who knows? I'm not supposed to be able to carry out any action here without verifying my email if it is a legitimate platform, because I could just put anybody's email and it's taking me to a dashboard. Anyways, so on looking at this, it wants me to, I think, complete my profile. And with every form you fill, with everything you do, you are putting in more and more info about yourself. So this is for those people that are really are trying to make money. So they are not really looking at the downsides to whatever they are doing. They just want to, oh, how can I make money with this platform or what is presented to me? So okay, I want to complete my profile. I'm going to put in the information that is not there. So I'm done with the information. Now I can access the paid surveys. So if you can see here, so what is interesting here is that we are seeing Google ads. So obviously whoever set up this site, one thing is sure that the person can make money from you clicking on this. You're just clicking on random stuff. You can see ads keep popping up. So the person is going to make money from the ads you're clicking. And then eventually, let's close this and then let's see where it takes us to. So it says, blah, blah, blah. The answers are extremely important. They must be honest and sincere. So this is making sure that you're putting in your correct information and not just any random information. That's why so it's more like social engineering. They're saying whatever you're putting here, please make sure it's very correct. We don't want you putting any wrong information so that we have all your information and we can easily phish you or send you any spam emails or malicious links or whatever we want. You can sell your data. So you can see here it's asking me, are you from Nigeria? I says, okay, yes, I'm from Nigeria. It says, okay, go ahead. Are you ready to start? If you're ready, click on agree and let's start the software. I said, okay, good, I'm ready. And then it's saying which area were you born. So I'm basically going to put in the same information I put in when I was registering. Most people would most likely put in their actual information, which I mean, it's strange. It's not recommended. Anyway, so I'm putting in my date of birth. Can't even remember what I put in the first place, but yeah, what's my postal code? So I'm putting in something random, and so let's go on. And yeah, I am a woman. And then next, yeah, English is fine for me here. Next, yeah, so unfortunately we couldn't find the survey. So after taking in my information, for some reason you cannot find the survey after gathering my information. Well, that's fine. Maybe someone from another country will have luck. So if you look at the entire platform, it seems pretty much like well crafted. To collect lots of info and just maybe to waste your time. In most cases, you end up maybe taking random surveys that gets you to put in more information, maybe not personal information, but more information, and you end up getting nothing. So So I decided to search for this Soveru to see if it's a legitimate platform or if it gives me any hits. And there was no hits. So maybe it's legitimate. I'm not sure. I still have to do some digging. So I'm using Trustpilot. Trustpilot is a popular platform for checking if a platform is legitimate or to see what reviews people have about a particular website. So I go ahead and search for the platform, and then I'm seeing it has good average rating, 4.2. It looks good, but then I'm not always interested in the good comments because I know there could be fake reviews, like I would show you when we go further. But I'm interested in the bad reviews or the poor reviews. Are the poor reviews just okay? The site is not friendly or blah blah blah. But sometimes the bad reviews go in depth to explain something. So this says no matter how quickly after posting a new survey on the log, it shows no surveys are available. Scam alerts. Not earning, it's fraudulent. Not earning sites is a fraudulent activity. They tell visitors complete surveys. You can earn money sharing your wallet, but filling surveys demand information related to the visitor. After that, there's no survey. They ask you to log in several sites and make accounts, thereby putting all your personal information on the survey, showing the visitor. So I think that person is from India. So you can see that person has already probably filled in lots of surveys, signed into different platforms. I don't know how long the rabbit hole goes, but yeah. So if you keep on looking at some of these reviews, you will see that these are actual reviews by people who try the platform. I don't know how they got to it, but it's not fun so far. Uh, yeah, so there are a lot more of them. I also decided, yeah, to see what the 5-star reviews look like, and I will show you what it looks like. Yeah, so someone says you can see totally a scam. So let's see what the 5-star review look like. So the app. What does that mean? This one says very good site. And if you look, this platform, these people leaving the 5-star reviews, they're not actual names. They don't make sense. It's really app. Then Dig says very good site. And this one says very nice website, Soveru. Then this one says good, accurate website. What does that mean? Is that an actual review? Like you should leave a good review. So this one says from now I can give 5-star. So these are just sometimes they just I think they get people's maybe somehow you can get people's review pictures, create lots of emails. So again, some it's easy to leave good reviews for a particular platform, but whenever you're investigating anything, what it should interest you is or are the negative reviews. Those are what gives you more idea if maybe the reviews you are getting is just as a result of their support is really bad, they don't really respond quickly, or the product is not as good as it is, or it's too expensive. Yeah, those are good reviews even though they are bad reviews. But when you now start seeing things like, this is a scam, this is gathering our information, then you know that there's a problem with that. So whenever you're doing your investigation, go for the negative reviews. Yeah, so I didn't want to go further to start. I didn't want to start going further to do a deep dive. I just wanted to show you how these guys, I don't know whoever that person is, people could easily just go to any social media platform, look for a keyword or a niche where people are interested in, like how to make money and how to get a passive income and all those things. And then they recommend stuff, put links. And then because people are desperate, people just click, people just take action, and it could be damaging. So here, this is a website doing a deep dive on the platform. Um, so it had pros and cons, but again, I'm not really interested in all of this. I'm just looking at how the person linked CapCut to a malicious site and then to this platform to collect information. Yeah, so I also saw reviews by Nigerians. Some of them were interesting. Some said most friendly survey website I've seen. So I don't know how legitimate these things are or these reviews are. I saw some bad reviews at the bottom, but I mean, who knows? Um, Again, sometimes they can collect your information and then give you a few pennies, give you some money, just so that you think you are getting money, and then they tell you to share the link to more people so that you can get more money on top of the one you currently have or in addition to what you already have, not knowing that they are farming all the information. First of all, they farmed your information, they've gotten all your information, and they want you to share with your friends, share with whoever it is to farm more information or to get more information. And so, yeah, I think Nigerians need to do better in terms of some of these things. Yeah, so if you know, if you know Surveil and if you've used it, maybe for Nigerians might not have had luck with it, but just let me know if you've used it in some other countries, and what your experience was like. But what I'm not, again, this video is not about if it's legit or not. It's about the possibilities of someone clicking on a malware or a malicious link just because you're desperate to make money or something like that. So these people use social engineering. They know what people want, and they try to offer you true tricks and all those other stuff. Yeah, so thank you. I think that's all. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and please share this video to as many people as you can share. Please, I really appreciate the like. The like would not cost you anything, please. So please just smash the like button and then please share this video. Thank you.